What's up, beautiful beings? Thank you for being here with me today. It's Saturday and I'm dressing very cozy, okay? I got my slippers and my socks and my sweatpants and all the stuff that's cozy. Okay, so this video, I'm so excited to make this video because this has truly changed the way I think and the way I see myself and just the way that I function and treat others too. So this is how daily affirmations, positive affirmations, has changed my life, outlook on life, and just my overall mood. So when I do my morning affirmations, I do them kind of like the second I wake up. I walk to the mirror, I take a deep breath, I rinse my face, I rinse my mouth off, and I feel good. I feel immediately self-aware and just full of intention of the day, if that makes sense, and passion. And it reinstates the force that I believe in. So I feel like I have more integrity, I'm more outgoing, I'm more firm on my beliefs, I'm less swayed by others. I feel like I used to be such a people pleaser, like I would always say yes to everything, and even if it was something I didn't want to do. Nowadays, since doing these daily affirmations, it's improved my self-esteem, improved my self-confidence extremely. So I recommend that if you have self-confidence or self-esteem issues, it's helped me so much just to look at myself in the mirror and say positive words to myself that I didn't know I needed to hear. I feel blessed, okay, every single day. Even if I wake up not in the best of moods, my daily affirmation inspires the change, okay? It inspires positive action, and it inspires me to feel better about my life, look at the good sides of my life rather than focusing on the negative. I focus on the positive, okay? I feel so much more grateful for my life, so much more blessed, and I can appreciate more of the goodness around me when you focus on the goodness. Because sometimes we wake up and immediately just think of all the things that can go wrong in the day or all the things that are bothering you from the day before, and it's just a whirlwind of negativity sometimes, and I've been there, I've done that. So these positive affirmations that I say every single morning helps me so much just to feel more blessed and positive. One of the things I feel like has changed so much with my overall personality and demeanor is that I'm pretty much unfazed of others' opinions of me. I used to feel like I needed validation. I needed people to like me. I needed people to accept me. I needed people to love me. And it's like that feels all good and dandy. But if you don't feel that about yourself, you cannot accept that from others. It's taken me a lot of harsh realities to realize that. And talking to myself every single morning just helps me realign on the frequency I know I'm always in. You know, sometimes you just need that reminder and to reflect on all the beauty in your life. And I just feel so much more like attached and passionate to what I want to do with my life and proud of myself. So yeah, just talk to yourself in the morning every single day, and it will change your life. Sincerely, it will. I know that we all do this, okay? And I'm not just saying that to say that. We all talk negatively about ourselves. Even the most positive of energy that people can emit from themselves, they have experienced self-doubt and, unworthiness. When you look at all the beauty around you, all the benefits that you bring to the world, how important that you are, it just makes you feel so good hearing it from yourself. Does that make any sense? Like, I'm looking at my cat, like, does that make any sense? My mood most of the day is pretty good too. I wake up in a good mood because I know that I'm blessed, okay? It's just, that's that, I'm blessed. I know sometimes we compare ourselves to others, and I've noticed when I've started to do these daily affirmations, I compare myself less to others, and I feel good about myself and my uniqueness. And I have so much more love for myself when I recognize and speak onto my gifts. Yes, I make mistakes, but I learn from them. You know, like when you act like everything in your life happens for you and not to you, that's when your mindset changes. So talking to yourself in the morning and telling yourself all these things, it's going to make such a difference in how you see yourself and the way that you compare yourself to others, because you don't compare yourself to others. You feel natural within yourself and confident, and that's what I love about the daily affirmations. It helps me out so much. So the last thing I want to talk about is I feel more present when I wake up and I'm listening to my daily affirmations that I recorded myself. I record myself speaking and do it. I feel more intentional. I feel like I have space within my own day. Sometimes we're so busy with our lives, we don't give ourselves the time of day. We don't give ourselves quiet time. Like, my daily affirmations are kind of like my meditation. I don't always do meditation, but that's like a meditation for me. And movement is meditation for me as well. And sometimes when I'm doing movements, I do say affirmations too. And I recognize that I deserve to move my body. I recognize that I deserve to have an amazing life. When you are just speaking to yourself in an encouraging way, you feel encouraged. If you're always discouraging yourself, if you're not there for you, who is? You know, that's my real question. Like, you have to be there for yourself first before you can accept any other's love, any other's validation. It's just, yeah. I hope this video has kind of given you some insight. Oh, there's my kitty. Has kind of given you some insight onto how affirmations can affect your life and your mindset, your health, and your overall well-being. I've linked below affirmations that I made, affirmations that I say every single morning to be on my purest vibration, to align myself with the highest energy, to feel grateful, feel blessed, feel healthy, feel confident. So I linked that down below, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if this helped you, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. All right, thanks for sticking around, and have a great day or evening or morning or wherever you are. Bye.